Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by preparing the home screen and opening the widget picker. Long press an empty area of your launcher. Once the menu opens, tap Widgets. Scroll the list until you see the System Battery widget or a Reputable Battery Apps widget. Drag that widget toward the home page. Do this now so you can place it where it's visible. If a permissions prompt appears, allow battery or usage access so the widget can display accurate percentages and charging state. Once the widget is on the screen, press and hold it to adjust size and placement. Make it large enough to read at a glance. Use the resize handles. Some launchers require a second long press to show them, so you can fit 1 or 2 columns. Make sure you tap into the widget settings, if shown, to select percentage, icon, or estimated time remaining. You need to permit battery or usage access for live updates, so accept prompts now to ensure accuracy. Finish by testing the widget. Unplug and plug the charger to confirm the icon and percentage update. If the widget doesn't show or stays stale, restart your phone. If that fails, clear your launcher's cache or data and try again. If the System Battery widget isn't present on your device, install a trustworthy battery widget app and repeat the add-in grant permission steps. One quick troubleshooting tip. Missing widgets often mean the launcher or OS
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.